While every country is worried about rising sea levels, nobody has found a solution quite as effective as that of the Netherlands. In fact, they've been reversing the effects of climate change for hundreds of years now. This all started in the 1100s. The Dutch were getting tired of seeing their towns repeatedly get flooded. Unfortunately for them, the fact that most of their land was only a few meters above sea level and located extremely close to the North Sea meant that these floods were way more common than surrounding areas. Efforts to stop these floods started off simple, with the Dutch building river dikes here and there. But as the centuries would go by, these projects would reach immense scales. Windmills were used to drain water. Larger dams were built. Entire islands were created out of the North Sea. And will you get the picture? But just to give you an idea of how insane this is, here's a map of how much of the Netherlands lies below sea level. It's estimated that more than 65% of the country's total land would have been underwater if it wasn't for this Dutch ingenuity. But what makes this more interesting is that instead of taking over its surrounding countries to gain more land, and the Dutch have historically looked towards the ocean, giving birth to the phrase, God may have created the world, but the Dutch created the Netherlands.